What's up, XRP family? What's up, crypto family? It's the Bagman back with another one. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you all are doing well, holding strong, and stuffing those bags with some cryptocurrency goodies. I got a couple of news articles to go over, some Flare stuff, some XRP, as well as some other cryptocurrency blockchain news. So let's go ahead and dive into this video.
It's different, but it's very pretty out here. I believe they're setting up the flag now.
First, we have a retweet from Flare. We're seeing a lot of FUD about claiming Spark by design. XRP Toolkit cannot access your secret keys or your assets. It has no signing functionality. All transaction signing is done externally by a wallet of your choice that you're already trusting. Also a reminder, claiming Spark only requires an account set transaction with a message key corresponding to your desired Flare address, Ethereum format. Any tool asking you to sign, for example, a payment or offer to claim Spark tokens, is a scam. So they're trying to clear up a little bit of FUD that's going on about XRP and the Flare network drop possibly being a scam or possibly taking your keys or your digital assets. As long as you have your private keys stored properly, everything should be all good. Also, we have here Flare says XRP Ledger will enter the 10 billion market with the launch of smart contract integration. Flare's head of business development, Mohammed Trezor, says the company's effort to bridge smart contracts and XRP will open the door to multi-billion-dollar market. Why that's very exciting is because it opens a lot of possibilities to a big market that is just sitting there with a huge market value of 10 billion today. As for what makes Flare unique, Trezor explains how it adds smart contract functionality to the fourth largest crypto asset. And here he says Flare is a new network. So we're the first Turing complete FBA Federated Byzantine Agreement network, and we're using the Ethereum virtual machine for our smart contracts. We added the Ethereum virtual machine so that we can bring in at launch one of the protocols that we've been working on is FXRP or Flare XRP, basically a trustless representation of XRP on the Flare network so it can utilize smart contracts. In short, we're basically adding smart contracts functionality that can run with XRP. Trezor also offers his take on how gamers will eventually rely on blockchain and non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. NFTs are a special cryptographic token that serves as a verifiable proof of ownership of a particular digital asset, such as gaming items or collectibles. Unlike crypto assets such as Ethereum and Bitcoin, NFTs are assets that are not interchangeable. Each non-fungible token holds the identifying characteristics of a certain asset stored in the blockchain. With smart contract capabilities, XRP can enter the world of NFTs, which Trezor says has the potential to be big. And he says it's not just going to catch on. I think blockchains and NFTs are just going to be part of the new ecosystem of the VR world, because it's one of the ways you can safely manage ownership over digital assets within the space, essentially. In addition, Trezor highlights that Flare smart contract functionality can also be integrated with other non-Turing complete cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. And he says, so essentially with Flare, what is super exciting is that what we are doing with XRP transcends just XRP. It can be done with any non-Turing complete asset that lie out there. So we're just starting with XRP because it's a big community, it's well developed, and it's a really big value. But also there are others, like 75% of the crypto world, like the actual value of crypto, lie in non-Turing complete assets. An example, BTC, Stellar, Litecoin. So what we're doing with FXRP can be generalized into an F asset that can be issued to run with smart contracts on Flare. So not only are they bringing smart contracts to XRP, but also the possibility of XRP entering the world of the NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Also, we have David Schwartz on Ripple discusses why banks are turning their backs on XRP. For the fourth largest cryptocurrency in the industry, XRP has had a tough year. Chief Technical Officer at the San Francisco-based blockchain company Ripple, David Schwartz, has recently discussed the community on Twitter as to why many financial institutions have turned their back on the token as a bridge. He says, I think there is a combination of obstacles, regulatory uncertainty, last mile problems, fear of reprisals from existing partners, and so on. Another big thing is that the very best customers are the ones that are going to use bridge assets to build products. He also says they're heavily motivated to see projects to completion and will push the benefits all the way down to customers. But in that case, even when they are 100% ready to go, they still have 0 customers because the product is so new, so it's slow to get momentum. That was David Schwartz. Also, we have XRP escrow unlocked. The data shows that crypto whales have started to accumulate notable amounts of Chainlink and XRP in a series of tweets. The 29,000 followers of Sentiment were notified of crypto whales buying XRP throughout these past 6 months. Because of this, XRP wallets with a minimum of 100,000 XRP has seen a significant increase in numbers. The analysis company explained that many high-tier brackets of XRP has held, and holders of 100k to 1 million XRP saw almost a 20% increase, going up from 17,387 from the previous 14,525. Holders between 1 million and 10 million XRP saw a 2.2 increase, going from 1,300 wallets to 1,336. Wallets containing over 10 million XRP, however, saw a 10.4 increase, going up to 309 total, opposed to the previous 280. It looks like whales are starting to accumulate some XRP, and we see the chart right here. We see an accumulation of XRP across the board. I wonder what they see coming. We know what's coming. The total of 800 million XRP from the 1 billion escrow release was returned. XRP tracking service XRPL Monitor has reported that Ripple had wired 58.6 million, sending part of this sum to BitGo. Cryptocurrency's carbon footprint is massive and not suitable. Bitcoin and crypto mining now use more energy than some nations. To help lead the fintech into a greener future, Ripple pledges to be carbon net zero by 2030. And I already did a video on this, and we talked about other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Are they going to be able to match this and be able to be carbon net zero by 2030? We know Ripple is already pledging to do so. They are already an eco-friendly cryptocurrency as it is compared to the other cryptocurrencies, at least the top 3. Also, we have some more Crypto for Congress. The Crypto for Congress Education Initiative is yet another sign that the public distributed ledgers and other cryptocurrencies required to few applications that run on them are seeing strong adoption and are quickly becoming the de facto trust layer for the internet. Policymakers are evolving their perspective to embrace the potential benefits of the technology while continuing to mitigate the potential risk. And they start off with saying the public distributed ledgers. We know XRP and the Ripple system is a distributed ledger. We know that mass adoption is right around the corner. Also, a post from James Rule about PayPal. To establish an access to the cryptocurrency hub, you will be able to hold a crypto asset balance, buy crypto assets, and sell crypto assets, among other benefits. You will not hold the digital crypto assets themselves in your crypto asset balance. All custody of a trading in crypto assets is performed by us, by our licensed service provider. So you're not really owning the cryptocurrencies when you go through PayPal, but you pretty much just see the balance of your cryptocurrencies is pretty much what they were saying. You will not hold the digital crypto asset themselves in your crypto asset balance. We also have the future will be tokenized. You don't have to be a cryptocurrency believer to think that the underlying technology of cryptocurrencies, value transfer without an intermediary, with double spending prevented through distributed consensus, is going to change the financial sector. Indeed, the use of the technology may well mean that cryptocurrencies in their current form are never needed, because more general digital asset transfer platforms will supplant them. These platforms, which enable the exchange of digital assets without a clearing or settlement, let's call these assets tokens for short, have real potential when the current craziness is past and digital asset tokens have become a well-regulated but wholly new kind of digital asset, a cross between corporate paper and a loyalty scheme. They will present an opportunity to remake financial markets in a new and better way. Digital assets that are bound to real-world value by regulated institutions present not only the mechanism for a different financial sector, but an innovative approach to a better financial sector, a sector that serves wider society more effectively and attacks the stubbornly high cost of financial intermediation in a modern economy. And we know XRP checks off all the boxes for all of that stuff. It's cheaper, it's faster, it's more efficient, it's interoperable, it's all that good stuff that you want when you're trying to move value like we move information today. Cryptocurrency savings account. Will this trend help you boost earnings? Investing in cryptocurrency may seem like a huge gamble, but the bet has paid off tremendously for those who have invested in the right type of crypto at the right time. Reality is that whether you want to admit it or not, many have gotten rich with cryptocurrencies and others still see it as a way to diversify their investment portfolio outside the traditional stocks and bonds. And if you have cryptocurrency for the purpose of building wealth or diversifying, you should know that cryptocurrency saving accounts can help you boost your investment and yield even more. So that's pretty much what we're all doing now, stacking our cryptocurrency retirement/investment portfolios. They also talk about getting different percentages, whether that's through staking or some of the DeFi projects, earning interest on your crypto with like PowerPiggy, as well as the crypto.com, and many of the other platforms also have their own interest earning programs where you hold your cryptocurrencies. You also can have some cold storage staking on some of your wallets like the Ledgers and the Ellipals. A cryptocurrency saving account works like it sounds like it would. With this type of account, you can deposit your cryptocurrency or another asset in some cases and earn a standard rate of return over time. With a BlockFi cryptocurrency saving account, for example, your cryptocurrency can earn up to 8.6 APY, which occurs daily and is paid out on a monthly basis. However, your return will vary depending on the type of cryptocurrency you have, whether that's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or something else. Depending on the type of crypto savings account you have, you may even be able to choose the type of cryptocurrency your interest is paid in. Currency saving account can earn you way more back than your regular traditional savings account. I don't think you can get 8.6 anywhere. Some of the platforms offer way higher than that. Crypto.com coin, if you hold 10,000, I think pays you up to 18%. So a whole bunch of options out there, and cryptocurrency savings account will help you boost your earnings. Especially as they say here, investing in cryptocurrencies, the bet has paid off tremendously. Those who invested at the right time with the right type of crypto. And we all have that right now. If you've been stacking your bags, you're ready for the bull run, and it's right around the corner. Bitcoin is leading the charge already. And our last one here, we have central bank digital currencies building together the future of money. The international debate on CBDCs is gaining momentum, and as a result, the world has been sieged by the CBDC initiatives stemming from the parts of the world that aim to digitalize payments, encourage financial inclusion, improve cross-border payments, support fiscal transfer, etc. But what is triggering discussion around the topic and why it is important today? Some industry experts say that the central bank digital currencies are coming, and whoever is in the denial mode is missing the big and important picture. This is going to be the biggest overhaul the global financial system seen since Bretton Woods. Ellipal, founder CEO of global macro investor and Real Vision Group. We don't know yet when that will happen, if digital currencies will break through, get adopted, and if they will, when it will happen. But for sure, the way we pay today will be massively disrupted in the upcoming period. And we know if they're going to bring these CBDCs on, and we know interoperability will determine the CBDC winners and losers. And we know XRP bridges everything together and is interoperable with pretty much everything. So XRP says governments that once viewed digital assets as a threat now see how companies like Ripple are working closely with traditional financial institutions to develop efficient, innovative global payment solutions that directly benefit businesses and individuals. And they also say it is critical that each new CBDC is designed with interoperability in mind, using the kind of open standards and protocols that have been so successful in the globalization of information via the internet. We do not believe that there will be a digital asset to rule them all, nor do we think that a dormant digital currency, whether decentralized or government-backed, is a good thing for the global economy. Instead, we will continue to work with central banks globally to create an environment where CBDCs and independent digital assets coexist and complement each other, achieving an internet of value where money moves as freely as information today. So XRP is only helping with CBDCs. It's not a competition to it. It's only helping bridge them together and be interoperable. We're still waiting on these regulations, so it's yet to be seen. Election is tomorrow. We'll see what happens in the coming months. We're still waiting for our moonshot, end of the year, early Q1. So we'll continue to stuff our bags. We'll continue to hold strong. But I'm not a financial advisor, but you know what I'm stuffing my bags with, and it's the best, the fastest, the most secure, the most scalable, most eco-friendly, cost efficient, send money anywhere in the world instantly. Hope y'all continue to stay bullish out there, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace out.